Here I have Infinix Smart 6 HD, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which you can find here. So what you have to do is to just insert this tool inside the hole next to the slot. The slot will pop out. So here you have to put your SD card and here your SIM card, and then put it inside your device just like this. So as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. So let's enter it. And there's also a notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also detected. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.